It begins in silence, in the sacred stillness of Himalayan soil, where purity breathes and botanicals bloom in nature's untouched poetry. Each ingredient is chosen not just for its potency, but for the soul it carries from the land that bore it. In the heart of Varenya Elixir, science becomes serenity. Each drop is measured, perfected, and preserved with mindful precision. From mountain to molecule, nature's wisdom is transformed into a quiet ritual of care, of grace, of glow. This is Varenya Elixir, a bottle of consciousness, a whisper of purity, a legacy of light.